Day 17 adds the endpoint to get one user by ID. The endpoint finds a user when it exists and returns not found when it does not. The current state is ready. Users controller exists, get all users works, post users works, and UserService is already registered. Day 16 added create user and get all users. The next normal CRUD step is reading one user by ID, using the same pattern already used for tasks. By the end of today, IUserService should have GetById, UserService should implement it, users controller should expose the endpoint, README should be updated, and the project should build. First update IUserService. Add GetById with an ID parameter. It returns nullable user response, where null means no user was found. Next implement GetById in UserService. Search the in-memory user list, match user.id with the requested ID, and return null when no user exists. Then add the controller endpoint with HTTP GetId. The controller reads the ID from the URL, calls GetById, and returns OK or not found. The HTTP behavior is direct. An existing user returns 200 OK. A missing user returns 404 not found with the message user not found. Testing starts by creating a user first. Get users/1 should return 200 OK. Get users/999 should return 404. After get user by ID works, stop. Do not add user update, user delete, SQL Server, EF Core, or authentication today.